Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm going to announce a winner from my collab that I was recently in, and I'm in another collab. So if you are here to see if you won, then you may be new to my channel. I'm going to tell you all a few things before, and I would like you to listen to this video because we're having some issues. We've tried to tell you before, several channels try to let y'all know. If you are new to someone's channel, you cannot just subscribe. You have to watch a video. We're not really sure. YouTube doesn't tell us these things. So just based on practicing and doing things, you have to watch a video at least about 4 or 5 minutes. And it's best if you're watching someone's collab video, watch the whole video, comment on the video, like the video, or dislike the video, thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever you want to do, but watch the video, especially in a collab, because when we have so many people that might be new to our channels subscribing at one time, YouTube doesn't like that, and they knock y'all off. We all went up on Sunday because we all have a lot of the same subscribers, but we have some different subscribers from each other. And so we all go up a little bit, and then Monday we all went down a little bit. So I went down 10 subscribers. So 10 of you that you think you are involved in my newest collab, which is called the Temu Summer Vibes, excuse me, you may not be, because if YouTube unsubscribed you, you won't be subscribed to my channel, you cannot win. So you have to be very mindful of that and try to listen to what we're saying. We're only telling you these things to help you because we want to share with you our goodies. We want to give you a giveaway. We want to. So you have to also be publicly subscribed. So choosing a winner for this giveaway, which is the Mystery Box Bonanza, there were 12 channels. It wasn't easy for us to pick our winners because a lot of you are not publicly subscribed. This is Blue if you don't know him. And he likes to come sit with me, and he likes to show his bottom. He likes to turn and turn. so that is very important stuff, and I wish y'all would just take heed and listen. And in my playlist of my current collab, the Temu Summer Vibes, I have a video that tells you how to make your account public. It's super, super easy. Super easy. Super easy. So if you have any questions, ask me. Some of y'all do, and I appreciate that because I'm happy to help you, because I want you, if you enter the giveaway, I want you to be able to win. I truly do. Whether you've been with me for the whole time I've had my channel or whether you're brand new, really. So that's why we tell you these things. Okay, so in the collab that I chose the winner for this one, the Mystery Box Bonanza, that was hosted by Tracy and Chloe Unboxings and Beauty and More, and also was co-hosted by Miss Jackie Russell. And that was so much fun, y'all. We all did different mystery boxes, and we had a blast. And my winner, I'm gonna not tell you the winner right now because y'all, this isn't gonna be long. Don't worry about it. But I want you to know how important it is that you must do what I ask you to do if you want to be considered for giveaways. Not just with our collabs. It's all across YouTube. They want you to be publicly subscribed. So please listen to that and ask me. If you didn't change something on your account, then you are not publicly subscribed. You have to physically go in there and change it. It doesn't happen on its own. And YouTube makes your account private when you sign in. When you sign in, you give them your name, and I'm not sure, do we give your address or whatever? I'm not sure what we do. Can't remember that far back because I've been on YouTube a while. You are private. Blue, you'll have to sit down. Sorry, y'all. Now his first flying. Okay, so anyway, my new collab, it's the Temu Summer Vibes, and in this collab, this super fun collab, is Favorites with Laura, Nona's Here, Tea Time Adventures, Miss Jackie Russell, Jessie Miller Unboxings and More, and Reviews with Sue. What a fabulous crowd. And then I'm in here as well. So we hope that you'll watch and enjoy. And I know it's going to be, it runs for 2 weeks, so it's going to go over the holiday time. And I know you all are busy with family and all that, and that's fantastic. But if you have a little time here and there, watch a video here and there. That actually is a good way to do it, is to slowly watch. And then that way, hopefully you won't get knocked off. But even if you are a seasoned subscriber and you've watched a long time, you may still get knocked off. YouTube likes to do stuff like that. I recently was knocked off of one of my good friends. I forget now who it was, but it was someone like that I watch all the time. And I noticed I wasn't getting notifications. I'm like, what happened to that channel? And I go look, and I was knocked off. I was no longer subscribed. So it can happen to any of us. So just to be mindful of that, okay? All right, my winner is Michelle Travagliato. Now, I hope I have said that properly, Michelle. There is 1702 after your name, Travagliato. It sounds very Italian to me. It's a beautiful long name. It probably means something fabulous. And that is my winner. And I'll put her picture at the end of this. And please get back to me as soon as you can, Michelle, because now Michelle is, she and the other 11 winners from that collab, the Mystery Box Bonanza collab, are going to be put into a drawing. So you're really a semi-winner, semi-finalist, Michelle. You'll get a giveaway from me, and each person that wins will get a giveaway from each channel. And then we've all donated into a gift card. So you can win a $60 gift card to Target or Amazon, I think it is. It'll be up to Tracy because it depends what she can buy and send to you, because it will be on Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More's channel, okay? So, and I'll put her channel down below. Of course, you should know about that if you're in the giveaway already. I mean, if you're in the collab, if you've watched the collab. I'm sorry, y'all. It's really hot here, and I'm really hot. Oh, I was going to tell you what I'm wearing because a lot of you asked me. So what I have on my eyes is, this is from Odin's Eye. I was gifted a beautiful mystery box from Odin's Eye a while back. There were several beautiful things in there. This is called Squid, I think. It's SKUID. It's a mini eyeshadow palette, and it's a good size to me. It's stunning. It says Brilliant Fantasy, Hope and You. Oh, those are the names. Oh, we don't have to go into that. But anyway, it has a nice magnet closure. There's a mirror on one side, and then I can fold it back a little bit, so, and there it is. They're all shimmers, and I love them. This little, in the middle, it's an orange and pink. You can't really mix them because I've tried. So that's what I do every time I use it. I just mix it because I mean, you can't do it separately is what I mean. So that's what it looks like mixed. So, it just, put a little bit on. But I love it. It's gorgeous. And on my lips, come on, Blue. We don't want to see your bottom. He loves to show you all his bottom. I think that means he loves you. Isn't that what they say? All right, so I have this mini lippy I have from Clinique. This is Clinique. We had rain on Sunday for like 10 or 15 minutes, a wonderful downpour. We haven't had rain in weeks and weeks, and the pollen is so high. This is why my voice is so bad, y'all. I do apologize. So that's Clinique. And this is in the shade Plum Pop, and I really like it. It's a great plum. Love it. Great berry color. So that is what I have for y'all today. And like I said, I'll put that picture at the end for Michelle. Get back to me as soon as you can. You can comment on the video, and then also send me a message on Instagram or email me. Both are Mary Catherine Loves Cats, just like the title here, spelled exactly the same way. And at Yahoo would be my email, yahoo.com. Thank you all for stopping by, and congratulate my winner if you will. And y'all, we usually have, we have giveaways. I have my treasure trove giveaway always going on, so you can always enter that. So y'all, if you stay this long, I'd love for you just to tell me, Mary, I watched the whole video. That's what I like to see, how to watch the whole video. I would like to see, I know that my regular subscribers will say that. I like to see if some of the new subscribers will have watched the whole video. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. I'm so glad you're here. I really am. I don't mean to scold you. I don't mean to. But we want you to win. Okay, y'all. Bye-bye. Count your blessings.